Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out DIY kits that I bought from Five Below. All of these kits are for under $5, so we're gonna test them out and see if they're any good. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. By the way, in case you guys didn't know, I have been posting on my second channel as well. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, you can go check them out. The link will be down below. And yeah, with that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alrighty, like I said, all of these kits that I'm going to be showing you are from Five Below, and these are for $5 each. The very first kit that I picked up is this DIY Fuzzy Bag Buddy Kit. This one I picked up because it looked really cute. I loved the packaging. So in the kit, you get a variety of pom-poms in different colors and sizes. You also get a little bow, googly eyes, keychains, and then to attach everything together, you get a needle, thread, and fabric glue. All I'm going to do is follow the instructions, and I'm going to make the same exact fuzzy buddies that are on the kit and that are in the instructions. You can get creative with this kit if you want and create your own designs, but because I want to show you how this kit is, I'm gonna make the same exact ones. So the basic idea is that you have to sew on the keychains to the pom-pom, and whenever you want to attach two pom-poms together, you have to glue them on using fabric glue. The only one thing I did not like about this kit is the fact that they don't really explain to you how you're supposed to sew on the keychain. This is something I kind of had to figure out on my own. It only took 2-3 minutes to figure out. It's not the end of the world, but I feel like in the instructions they could have mentioned how you're supposed to sew it on. Even though they have pictures included, it's not that clear. Also, as you can see, I go in quite a few times with the needle to really make sure that I am securing it in well. They don't tell you to do that in the instructions, and I feel like they should tell you how to do it. So that's the only bad thing about this kit. As you can see, I've attached the legs and the feet to the body. Now I'm going to attach the keyring to the head, and then what you're going to do is take the body and the head and glue it on using fabric glue. The very last step is to pop on the googly eyes, and there is the Fuzzy Bag Buddy all completed. I went ahead and I made the two other ones that are also included in this kit, and overall I really like this kit. I had so much fun making these little fuzzy buddies, and yeah, overall the fact that you can make 3 keychains for $5 is really good. Also, not to mention, these turned out super cute. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this kit. The next kit I picked up is this 3D paint and squishy kit. I got the Cupcake one. They did also have a burger one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the kit. The squishy itself is pretty soft and slow rising, but I want to say that the paint tubes they give you are tiny. They are so small, and I already know that this is not going to be enough paint. And also, I just want to mention that the fact that they don't give you any white, black, or brown is just honestly so awful. The fact that all of the colors are so bright and this is a cupcake, it does not make sense to me. But anyway, we are gonna try and make this work. I knew from the beginning that I won't have enough paint, so what I did is I took the pink and I'm gonna paint the top of the frosting with pink, and then I'm gonna do the bottom using purple, and I'm going to kind of make this gradient kind of situation. I tried to blend in the colors, but it didn't really work out, but I tried. By the time I was done with the frosting, I ran out of pink and purple, but I saved a little bit of paint, and I'm gonna use that in a minute or two, and you will see what I do. But now for the base of the cupcake, I am going to be using the turquoise color. And yes, I did run out of paint. The paint itself turned out super patchy and really bad. I absolutely hated it. And then, like I said, I ran out of paint, so I couldn't paint the bottom, which was very sad. But yeah, overall the paint, I'm not feeling it. It looks really bad, and yeah. I have nothing else to say. Now we need to make the strip of like the cupcake that's supposed to be showing through. So I took that little bit of purple that I had saved, and I'm going to mix that in with some yellow to get this like weird brown color. I don't like it, but we're just gonna use it because we have no other choice. Finally, to top it off, I am adding in some yellow sprinkles. I think I have made it pretty obvious that I don't like this squishy kit. The paint that is included is just painfully awful, but I will say that if you ever haven't decorated a squishy before, this might be a nice kit for you. It's like fun to do, but don't expect that you'll end up with something like amazing at the end because the paint is just really bad. One last thing I want to mention about this is that when I was done with the squishy and I let it dry completely, I'm like squishing it, and for some reason my fingers are getting stuck onto the squishy. I don't know what this is, like why it's so sticky even though it's like completely dry. So yeah, I just felt like I need to mention that, and I'm gonna leave it at this. And the very last kit that I picked up is this Galaxy slime kit. I have to say this, the box is massive in comparison to what's inside. Like that's literally all you get, and the box is so big. I don't understand why they need to make the box so big. In this kit, you get a very small bottle of white glue, a stick, plastic spoon, measuring cup, a pack of borax, glitter, and then 2 food coloring, so you get purple and blue. Again, with this kit, I'm going to be following the instructions. So the very first thing I'm going to do is make the activator, and for that you're going to need 25 milliliters of warm water, and you're going to mix in 1 spoon of borax. You're going to mix that together and set that aside. In my bowl here, I'm going to go ahead and add half of the glue bottle. In the beginning of the instructions, it does say that you are supposed to add in water, and I get that because the glue bottle itself is like so small, and by adding in water, you're gonna kind of increase the quantity of slime. But at the end of the instructions, it does say that if you want more putty-like slime, then you can skip the water. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Overall, it's pretty simple and easy. You just want to add in the food coloring, then the glitter, and finally the activator. My major complaint about this kit is the fact that they don't give you enough glue. There's only 3 ounces of glue. The box is huge. I don't understand why. And the glue is literally not even 3 ounces, which is basically nothing. And the second thing that I don't understand is why do they give you like a mixing stick? They can give you a popsicle stick instead. I don't understand why a stick is in there and not a popsicle stick. If you are someone who makes slime, then this kit is not for you. There is barely any glue, and it would be much cheaper to buy things separately. But if you're someone who wants to make slime for the very first time, then yes, I do think this kit is worth it because you get a bit of everything. You get glue, activator, food coloring, and glitter all in one place. So, I mean, if you think about it, then yes, it is worth it because you don't have to buy everything separately, and you kind of have everything in one box. The slime itself turned out very pretty, and I loved the way it looked. It did not look like anything on the box though, because the picture on the box is clearly photoshopped, and I don't know why they do that, because I feel like on the packaging the picture should be like of the actual product. So yeah, there's that. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to see more videos like this, then let me know in a comment down below. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.